Hey traders, it's Hima here, and I've got a chart of the week looking at market timing and a volatility update. Today's Tuesday, October 6, 2020. Now, before we take a look at the charts, important reminder that trading and investing can be extremely risky business. Therefore, it's your responsibility to evaluate any information, opinion, advice, or other content contained in this video. So every quarter, I take a look at the broad markets, FX, futures, and some of the hottest tech stocks, and I do a long-term analysis, including market timing. Now, when I did this back in Q3, it pointed to key timing during the week ending October 9th for the SPY. Guess what? That's this week. And here's the crazy thing. I've started preparing the skinny markets outlook for Q4, the quarter we're just beginning. And the thing is that it's really interesting that there are independent weekly cycles that are now doubly confirming that this week is a key timing point, not only in the SPY, but in additional broad market ETFs. This is highly unusual, guys. When cycles come together like this means there are really important forces coming together in the market. So the best way to make the most of your cycle measurements, especially when you get reinforcement from other independent cycles that, developed later, like it's happening now, is to take a look at volatility and see if it's also lining up for a big move. So now let's go to the VIX chart and see what's happening there. So here's the daily chart of the VIX. And you can see there's been this coiling, this sideways range going on with the VIX for weeks now, all hanging out below 3156. What's 3156? I'll go through that in detail during monthly group coaching live this Wednesday, but I really just want to bring your attention to the fact that volatility is coiling during a market timing key week. This is on top of all the crazy stuff happening in the world where, the news cycle could just kind of edge traders one way or another any moment. So I really advise you to pay close attention to the VIX and this level 3156, and also keep your eye out for how to get the skinny market outlooks, because the ones that I'm preparing for this quarter might be the most important ones that you check out this year. Catch you on the inside. You can sign up at himaready.com/gift to get my hot, timely, actionable updates as soon as I publish right to your inbox.